So this guy right here should be an example to all forex traders. So you will be forex trader, just go this guy page, go learn about forex trading life, the life of forex trading. If you be forex trader and you know they see trading from this perspective, then you are doing yourself a big wrong. First is that from the early time as e dey make small small money, he dey invest am inside business wey he dey see with him eye. As e dey make money from forex, he dey invest am inside business wey he dey see with him eye. Na wetin you suppose do be that. For some of us wey maybe school or other things hold you down, wey you no fit carry the money put inside other business, there are stocks that you can buy, there are things that you can buy that would be there even after some years. I don't know if it makes sense, but if it makes sense, abeg like, follow and share. Peace out.